In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Api-Ms-Win-Crt-Conio-L1-1-0 is missing error on your computer. If you've encountered this issue while trying to run a program, you're not alone. This relatively common problem occurs when your Windows system is missing certain critical files, typically associated with the Visual C++ redistributable package. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of resolving this, and we'll get it all sorted in just a few minutes. To begin resolving this issue, the first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft website. This is important because we need to download a key component from a trusted and reliable source. Once there, search for the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2022. You'll be directed to a page where you can download the necessary software. This package contains the crucial DLL files that are missing from your system. On this page, it's essential to ensure that you download the correct version for your computer's architecture, which might be either 64-bit or 32-bit. Now, if you're not sure whether your system is 64-bit or 32-bit, a quick way to find out is by going to your computer settings, selecting System, and then About. Here, you'll see your system type. Use this information to make sure you select the correct download file. If you're running a 64-bit version of Windows, you'll need to click on and download VCI Redist for XE. Conversely, if your system is 32-bit, download VCFi Redist x86.exe instead. With the correct file downloaded, the next step is to run the installer. You'll need to locate your download folder and double-click the file. Once the installation wizard pops up, you'll be prompted to accept the Microsoft software license terms. It's important to review this document to understand your rights, but to proceed, simply check the box indicating that you agree, and then click Install. After you've completed these steps, the installation process will begin, which might take a few minutes. Once it's finished, you'll see a message indicating the installation was successful. However, for changes to take effect and to fully resolve any issues, it's crucial to restart your computer. Give your system a refresh by restarting it. This ensures that all newly installed components are properly loaded and integrated with your system's operations. After your computer reboots, try running the program that initially brought up the error message. It should now work smoothly without any hiccups. By following these steps, you've effectively restored the crucial files needed for your applications to run correctly. Thank you for joining me in this quick and straightforward fix. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other troubleshooting videos for more tips and solutions.